I'm so excited to have back with us today. We have Michael Sandoval with Above and Beyond Pool Remodeling. Okay, first remind people what you do at Above and Beyond.
Michael Sandoval here with Above and Beyond Pool Remodeling. We are your local valley swimming pool remodeling specialists. We do anything from depth conversions, we do pool interior finishes, we do new decking, we do water features. Basically anything to do with the swimming pool, we can do.
Which I love that you can do all of that. And I love the fact also that, I want to say a guy of the people, because of the military ties that you have, of you being in the military, that you have, and I know it's going to be coming up eventually, you have your big giveaway.
Yes.
Explain this kind of a little bit of what kind of military person. I know people are going to be able to, people first of all need to follow you on Facebook. That's going to be the number one thing, because then they can get more details as this comes along, and they can nominate one of the military service people that they believe. But what kind of service person are you looking for to be deserving of this?
Okay, yes. So you gave a little bit of an intro to it already. Last year we did a veteran giveaway.
Yes.
We did a veteran giveaway for a deserving veteran. And let me backtrack a little bit. All veterans are deserving.
Absolutely.
Okay? This particular veteran was deserving in a different kind of way. And we were able to bless her with a swimming pool remodel for therapy. Okay, so to be very specific, we're gonna do our veteran giveaway. Okay, it's gonna be this summer.
Okay.
We're gonna have all information posted on Facebook. We want people to start nominating their veteran, sending them in to us so we can review those, which is gonna be very hard, by the way.
It will be.
We're gonna do our best, and literally we wanna give away a swimming pool remodel, okay?
Okay.
Now these veterans, we're not looking for somebody to have a Superman emblem on their chest. All veterans are deserving. If they're a veteran and they sign on the dotted line, they're deserving. We're looking for that veteran basically that doesn't have or wouldn't have the financial means to remodel their pool.